Hello, yes, my name is Luis Mora. This is for the Embedded Systems class, COEN 4720. And I'll be talking a little bit more about the project that I did, which was a Wi-Fi clock. So here with the Wi-Fi clock, we have a Wi-Fi enabled clock that the user can control the time, date, alarm, if they want an alarm, and the time that they want the alarm, all via Wi-Fi. And here, pretty much the user has that full control via Wi-Fi. If they also wanted to snooze with that Wi-Fi, they can. But the primary button would be that int 0 button. So to describe a little bit more about the project here, I'll be showing you a flow chart. So to describe a little bit more about the system level diagram, so the user controls the clock via Wi-Fi. And then we have a block diagram here that shows this tick and the Wi-Fi module working hand in hand to control the time and the alarm settings here. And then that will be then displayed onto the LCD display. And if there's an alarm triggered, that'll also control the audio and then LEDs. And a flowchart here, we have the main initializing all the peripherals, and if there's a set default time on the code here, and then if not, the user can update the settings here, and it'll update the time based on those times that existed below here. And that'll be controlled by a different process, a timer, which will update the seconds every second. And once it completes the 60 seconds, it'll update the minutes to the hours, hours to the days, months to the years, and the years will be all pipelined down through this LCD display as well. And then we have one more process here, which will check the time matches the alarm time. If it matches it and the alarm is set to true, then it'll ring the clock. If not, then it'll just keep on circling back here to check this condition as well. So to show a little bit more about our working implementation here, we have the time, date, alarm set to no right now, and alarm time. So we have the time 6:04 here, and that is the current time that we have here on the clock. And then in this demo, we'll be showing the alarm being set to yes, so that it can trigger the alarm to go off. And then int 0 would be able to snooze that off. So here, as we connect to the AI thinker, we'll be running our Python script here. So as we save it, it will be sending a command of 1. And then once we send that command via Wi-Fi, as we send it over right now, as we wait for it to send over here, sometimes we have to just let it wait a little bit as it sends over. And we got that control now. So now we received the control, and now we'll be seeing that yes. So now we have to wait 1 more minute for that alarm to go off. And in the meantime, again, we can show that everything will be happening, or we can stop that trigger and that sound by that beep through the int 0, which we have declared here. Int 0 handler, which will stop the sound or set it to true. And then that'll be controlled in this big while loop here that we have, that will check the alarm set to true. If the hour matches the alarm hour, minutes matches the alarm minutes, and it'll check the stop sound. And then it'll get out of this if statement if it ever reaches that point. So as we wait here a couple more seconds, it looks like we have 20 more seconds. We can also describe a little bit more about some of the different processes here. And it's just one big pipeline that is occurring here. And as we wait 5 more seconds here, 5, 4, 3, we finally have it here. As you can see, LEDs are blinking, and we can stop this alarm by going off by stopping it. And that is our project here working in full implementation. Thank you.